Hi guys, it's Annabelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the products you need to try if you can never get your super straight hair to hold on to a blowout style. Today I'm going to be using my Dyson airwrap, but whether you are round brushing your hair, using your Dyson airwrap, these are the products that made my Dyson airwrap work the best for me. My hair is silky, flat, straight, all the in-between, doesn't have texture, so this is what I did to get it to work the best for me, but stay tuned to learn all about it. So I'm fresh out of the shower and all I've done is shampoo, and then I've actually been using K18. I've been trying it out, so I didn't condition, but normally I would have shampooed and conditioned, but today was just shampooing K18. And then I took the Unite Silky Smooth Heat Activator Heat Protectant. This is my favorite, just to add that little extra protection for my hair. And then I will begin rough drying it with just the blow dryer attachment. I get it to about 80% dry. My hair has started air drying, so it won't take me too long, so we're just gonna do that now. So now that my hair is rough dried, this is the secret, not so secret product that changed the game for me. This is the To-Be Beach Matte Spray by Schwarzkopf. It's a texturizing sea salt spray. This is linked in my link tree, but if you are watching from the US or somewhere where this doesn't sell, because I currently am in England, which is where I've gotten this, I would highly recommend the Redken Sea Salt Spray. That will also be linked in my bio, and you can try that one out because a sea salt spray, a lot of them are pretty similar, but it's just adding grit and texture to your hair. Because my hair is so straight, it just doesn't want to hold on to a style. So when you take something that has a bit more grit to it, gives it a bit of a style, whatever you do after that will just help your hair hold on to that style. What I'll do is just take this, shake it up a bit, and I will mist it on my hair. I don't want to take too much, but just to give it a little something like that. I then just will brush that through just to make sure it's as evenly distributed as possible. And then the next thing that I have started doing, which is different than one of my other videos I had made, was using a mousse. So again, this is from the UK, but really just any mousse will help your hair grab onto that style. That's why mousses have always been famous and incredible. They add volume, but they also give you a really nice blowout if you are doing one. So this is the Charles Worthington Thicker Fuller Mousse. This will also be linked in my bio, but this is just a great one for my hair type. It increases hair density, adds thermal protection, and is specifically for like fine, thin hair. So I'll squirt some of this in my hand. I'm going to shake it up, and I will begin applying it. I will apply it on my roots because I do just want volume in my roots, but then I will apply it on my lengths, making sure it's as evenly distributed as possible. Okay, so then the next important thing, this is just my Denman brush. I will begin just making sure that's super brushed through. This may feel a little sticky on your hair at the moment, but for me, it doesn't last once my hair is styled. It's fine. It's just because it's coated the hair temporarily while we style it. Now I'm just going to begin Dyson airwrapping my barrels as normal. I use the smallest barrel that the original set comes with, and these are also the long barrels. And I always curl away from my face. Where is the other one though? Aha! So yeah, I'll use these two barrels and I will curl away from my face. I also want to show you how I style these little curtain bangs of mine. So I literally just use the same barrel, grab onto it, cool shot. And it will look a little crazy, but don't worry, it does settle down and it's perfect. And I just kind of let that sit there just like that. Okay, so I switched barrels to the other side. I'm going to jump off camera, do the other side, and then we'll come back for the results and brushing it out and how I do all that. Okay, now that it's cooled for a while, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to begin shaking it out. Oh, good. And then I'm just going to take my brush, kind of brush through the root area. I'm gonna take my brush and just brush through it now. Okay guys, and there you have it. Sometimes I will hairspray my hair just to get like maybe my little front pieces to stay a bit more. So today I'm going to use the Moroccan Oil Medium Hold Hairspray, and one of my things is pinching these hairs together. And then just spraying it all over. And there you guys have it. The amazing results when using these products, and these curls will last, believe it or not. Believe me, because they will last. It is amazing when you mix a mousse and a sea salt spray, the magic that can happen. So try out these products or try something similar. If you can't get your hands on those exact products, know that there are other products that are similar. I just wanted to kind of give you the idea and kind of show you what I use so that you can use what you have to make your blowout last and last and last and give you lots and lots of volume. I'm obsessed. My hair has gotten so much healthier since using the Dyson airwrap as well, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button now. I would love to have you join our YouTube family. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My usernames will be linked down below. I would love to just connect with you across all social media, but I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day from wherever you're watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!